So this is the 2 molar in the traditional grip. As in the other molars, which you probably have learned by now, we have a stroke tap combination and a pop drop, and both of those play into how we play our 2 molar. So the same thing applies in traditional grips. We have down, right? Here's our stroke tap combination. If we speed that up, and now we apply the idea of pop, drop, and again, make sure that your drop is a drop, that you're not throwing this back down, that it's simply falling, just like in a tap, as a tap would fall. So you set it up, strike, let it fall back down. Remember that if the range of motion here, you can only go so far, and in the slow nature of the pop and drop, you need the stick to go back more, then utilize this rotational motion of the arm so that as the stick pops into your hand, you go with it. You wait for it to pop, you close the hand, you go up. Now that's pretty exaggerated, but you see how, again, the stick tip moves continuously. It becomes one motion, and we just let it fall back down. So pop, drop, and pop, drop, and 1, and 2, and pop, drop, and pop, drop, and. Okay? Once you get that down, you just start to apply that to your stroke tap combo. So now this is what we call the 2 molar. Okay? Now as we get faster, and we're going back and forth between these things, what's happening with the hand is it's really just doing the open and close. There's less full arm motion involved now, and it's really this, right? And as we get even faster, it's just going to become this, where really now the fingers are not all opening, it's mainly the index fingers opening to make that thing happen, riding along the top of the stick. And as we get even faster, it's just eventually going to become practically an up and down pump of the hand. So here's molar here. Again, as with our other molars, both the stroke and the tap should basically come to the same place. As we get faster, the motion gets smaller. And as we get even faster, now I'm really just pumping with the forearm. Let's turn this way and do the same thing. So again, one motion. We get faster, that motion gets smaller, the hand opens up. As we get really faster now, we're basically just pumping. And I'm not the world's greatest super fast molarer at those tempos, but that is essentially the 2 molar in traditional.